Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport Australia Speed. Today we've got one of our awesome packages with the ST camshaft and our CNC heads. So all the good gear. For you haters out there, it doesn't have a ramjet intake, it has a VCM, and it doesn't have our headers either. It has a very good set of long set, big 1.7/8 inch, which is actually, if you're not going to use our triple step, probably perfect. So we'll show you what our ST camshaft can do and our CNC heads. Let's go. Okay, I think we've got a problem with our oxy sensor, so we'll take 3 and we'll try and change that and see what we do. Happy with where it was. I ran it the other day, so I know where it exactly was, but we'll change it and see what we get. Okay, good result, 338. Best we got was 342. Now what we did show you for all the people, and the internet people and Lambda, we had a failing sensor. So obviously I'm in touch with what I do, so I was able to know that. We can also free air test that as well. So we didn't change anything in the tune from them last 2 runs. We knew we had it right the other day. So let's compare. So good result. Best run was 342. That was optimum temperature, the best we could get. Obviously now the oil temperature's dropped and a few things, the time we've done what we needed to do. So now we'll compare. And you can see our Lambda fixed, okay? So nothing changed, all good, everything done. And so yeah, a good result through there as well. And what we show you is one against that there is against a triple step and a ramjet as well. So you can see the difference here. So it's got more torque and more power. Obviously it's only from 120 Ks, but yeah, it's a good indication that you do run a triple step and a ramjet 3, you're still going to get more power. And we'll just check that to make sure. Yep, triple stepped, ST, ramjet 3. So yeah, everything that we needed to be done. So guys, if you got one of these, get it out the shed, bring it to us and we can make it fast.